Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the next part of chapter number 6, Integers, part 4. In part 3, we discuss integers on number line, order of integers as we move towards the right from 0 on number line. The number is going to increase, and as we move towards the left of number line, means from 0, left of 0, so the order of the number get decreasing. In previous part we discussed exercise 6.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and today we'll start with question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Means here is in this question what is given, list of temperature is given to us from different 5 places in India on particular day of the year. Now places are given to you: Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Srinagar. And temperature is given to us: 10 degrees Celsius, below 0 degrees Celsius. See, 10 degrees Celsius, below 0 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, below 0 degrees Celsius, like this. Okay, now question number A is that write the temperature of these places in form of integers in the blank column. Means we have to fill this blank with the appropriate answer. Now first of all tell me, Shechin has temperature 10 degrees Celsius, below 0 degrees Celsius. As I told you, 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius means what? It should be minus, below. Okay, so first of all you can mention below is there, that's why minus. Here also below, that's why again minus. Above, plus. Above, plus. Below, minus. Okay, so now 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius means here 10 minus 10 degrees Celsius. We know that degree will place 0, means the 0 at the top of it, above it. 2 degrees Celsius, so minus 2. As we have written first of all only plus minus, so now only we need to write the numbers. So here 30, 20, 5. Clear, children? Now we have done with the first A. Now see what second question says. Following is number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of city against its temperature. Now what question says that following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Now depend upon that we have to plot the name of city against its temperature. Means according to this temperature, see where is which city located. Okay, we have to plot the name of city against it. Now first of all, first city is Shechin. Where is that? Here it is minus 10 degrees Celsius. So here should be, here we have to write the name of the city. Clear? Now minus 2. Where is minus 2? Now see here 0. Here should be 1 and here should be 2. which is plus 2. But here, as to this left of 0, so here it is minus 1 and here it is minus 2. So here is the name of city, Shimla. Next, Ahmedabad, plus 30. Plus 30 means to the right of 0. Means here should be which place? Ahmedabad. Okay. Now next is plus 20. Again plus 20 is there, means to the right of 0. So here is the name of city, Delhi. Okay. Name of the place is Delhi. Now next is Srinagar. Srinagar, where is Srinagar? Minus 5. So here is the place which is named as Srinagar. Clear? Now see question, which is coolest place? Now depend upon this. Tell me, here is the lowest temperature is what? As we know, minus means coolest place. As we'll get the negative sign, so place is as much as cooler than the previous one. Okay. So here see minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5. These only is in negative sign. Means these are the coolest places. Which? Minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5. Means Sachin, Shimla and Srinagar. So out of this, which is the coolest one? We have to decide. Now tell me, minus 10 is bigger or minus 2 is bigger or minus 5 is bigger. I think I told you that where is the position of this, as it is far away from 0, it is smaller as compared to the other number. So here you can see minus 2, position of minus 2 is here. Here is minus 2. Where is the position? Next is minus 5. Here is minus 5. Already given. And here is minus 10. Okay. So I told you, we have discussed in the previous part only. As we move to the left of 0, as we are going in this order, okay, so we'll get a decreasing number. Means here this minus 2 is closer, this is also closer, but this is far away from that. Okay, so now minus 10 is the lowest temperature. Okay, lowest temperature, as its temperature is lowest, then the place is coolest. Okay, so minus 10, what is the temperature? Minus 10 is the temperature of place Sachin. So answer of this is Sachin. We write it properly. Okay, now next, write the name of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Now where is the temperature above 10 degrees Celsius? Now you can observe here, above 10 degrees Celsius, 20 is there and 30. Okay, as it's above means it's a plus sign, it's with plus sign. So which places are there? Delhi and Ahmedabad. Okay, so here the answer is Delhi and Ahmedabad. Okay, clear children? Question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Means which number is on the right side of the other number. Means from these two numbers we have to decide and we have to tell the answer which number out of these two is to the right hand side of the another number. Okay, So first is out of 2 and 9. So as we know 9 is greater than 2. Okay, we know 9 is greater than 2. So 9 is greater than 2. 9 is to the right of 2 on the number line. You can see here 2 is here, 9 should be here. Means 9 is on right hand side. Okay, so here you have to write the answer. 9 is to the right of 2. Okay, like this. Next is minus 3 and minus 8. Now minus 3 is here, minus 8 is here. Okay, now minus 8 is to the left hand side, but here in this question we have to write which number is to the right of the other one. So we have to check which number is to the right, minus 3. Now minus 3 is to the right of minus 8, as minus 3 is greater. As we know that which number is to the right, it is greater as compared to the left one. So minus 3 is greater than minus 8. See children, I tell you, if commonly we can say that 3 and 8, out of this 3 and 8, we can say if no sign is there, then 3 and 8, out of this 3 and 8, 8 is bigger number. Okay, but if it is with the negative sign, then the number is small as compared to the previous one. Okay, now 1 and minus 100. Minus 100. 100 is the bigger number. Okay, 100 is the bigger number. But as here negative sign is there, so this is the smallest number than 1. So we can say here 1 is greater than minus 100. As 1 is greater than minus 100, 1 is greater than minus 100, then 1 is to the right of minus 100 on number line. Means minus 100 is maybe on this side, this portion here. Okay, and where is the position of 1? 1 is to the right of 100. That's why 1 is the bigger number. Clear? Means 1 is to the right. From question number 6, we have discussed few questions and few were homework for you. Okay, now question number 7. Write all integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Means first of all we have to write 2, means how many integers are there in between these two integers. Okay, and then whatever the answer is there, we have to arrange that in increasing order of it. Okay, now see where is the place of 0 here? Here. And where is minus 7? Here. Okay, so here is minus 7 and here is 0. In between this, between means not including this two. Okay, so in between this, these many integers are there. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, now I wrote here. Okay, now we have to write increasing order of it. Increasing order means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So minus 6, as this is the bigger number, but it has negative sign, so it is the smaller number among this. Then minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Clear children? Now see the next question, question number B. Minus 4 and plus 4. Nothing is there, no any sign is there, means here is the plus. Minus 4 and 4. See now where is minus 4? Here. And plus 4 means on in this direction, plus 4 here. Okay. Now in between this, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so increasing order we have to write. Okay, so first of all the bigger number is in between this 3. Okay, 3 is the bigger number. So here the answer is minus 3 is the smaller, then minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can observe here that minus 3, if you see that in the on number line, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 means if you are going from right to the right direction, then we'll get the increasing order. And if the question is that find the decreasing order, then we'll start from here and we'll move to the left hand side. Clear, children? Now see question number 8. And question number 8, I am going to take one question out of this, and rest means only A is there. It is homework for you. And in question number 7, there are total 4 questions. Out of that, I explain you 2, and rest 2 is homework for you that you have to write. These all questions you have to write in your pair copy with the same way how I explain you here. Okay. Then next, write 4 integers less than minus 10. Less than minus 10. Now where is minus 10? Minus 10 should be here. Okay, minus 10 should be here. And the question is that less than minus 10. Less than. When we get the less than number? When we move to the left again. Okay, if you move to the right, then we'll get greater number. But we want less than minus 10, so it should be on this side, left hand side. So if I see the number line, then I'll get here somewhere here minus 10. Okay, means first I'll write 10, then after 10 11, then 12, then 13, 14. We need to write 4. Okay, 4 integers. So this is the first, second, third and fourth. So 10. Now here 14 is the bigger number. Why? Because no sign is there. Okay, if I place the sign, if I place the sign here, then I'll get minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 if you go to this direction. Okay, and as we are moving to this direction, we'll get the number in decreasing order, means less than minus 10. So here the answer is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. Question number 9 is homework for your children. There you have to write true or false, but with reason. Now let us see question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Question number A. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Means what is the meaning of this? Which number will we reach? Okay, on which number we will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. If we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Now, first of all, draw the number line. Okay, where is the place of minus 2? Here. Okay, minus 2 is here. We have to take how many moves? 4 moves. Okay, 4 moves to the right. So, 1 movement, second, third and fourth. So, as I got completed 4 movements, so where I am now? on 2. So the answer is 2. Here you have to write answer 2. Now question number D. If we are at minus 6 on number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? Now first of all our position is on minus 6. Okay. Now in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? We have to reach to minus 1. As we want to reach to minus 1, so in which direction I took the jump? In right direction. See, minus 6 is here. From minus 6 I want minus 1. So in right direction, the movement is in right direction. So answer is right direction. So that two answers we have to write here. Okay, right direction, and here is the answer is 2. Okay, clear children? So now we have completed our 6.1 exercise. Today, rest question out of this is homework for you, and complete your homework and all this exercise in neat and clean handwriting in your copy. Good day.